How to make a poll on YouTube. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to make a poll on YouTube, but make sure that you watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to go into YouTube on my browser, and after that I'm going to click on my profile picture right here, and then I'm going to click where it says your channel. Then when I'm in here I need to click where it says community. If you don't have this community option right here, then keep watching because I will explain to you later on in this video why it might not be there for you right now. So when I've clicked here, I will be taken to this page. And as you can see, I have recently posted a poll, and if you want to create one yourself, then you will need to click here where it says poll. You will need to write what you want to ask your community in here. And after that, you will need to add options as well. After you have done that, then you will need to click here where it says post, and then your poll will be posted. If you don't have this community option right here, then as you can see, you will need to have at least 500 subscribers to be able to have the community option on YouTube right now. And when you have reached 500 subscribers, then it will take you about a week to get that feature. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have a good day.